is a very important meeting which we are having today here at Agartala. And for the first time, MEA is holding such sammelan or such meeting here in Tripura. For a common man, government means state government, because they approach the state government officers for any problem they face. And these days, movement of people across the border has become very common. And it is MEA which represents the government of India or even state government in foreign countries or any matter related to the immigration or any problem faced by the Indians in foreign countries. So this meeting of state government officers and MEA officers is even more important because Tripura is a border state and we share a border with Bangladesh which is about 856 kilometers long. And recently we have seen a large number of students from Bangladesh, due to unrest there, they crossed over to Tripura. And as Dr. Chakrabarti has said, that we were not aware that such a large number of students are studying in Bangladesh. And this is known to MEA. Similarly, there are problems faced by the citizens of India in Tripura that may be related to passport, may be related to immigration to a foreign country, or may be related to movement to any other country, for which everything is dealt by MEA. So today's interaction between the state government officers and the MEA officers will be very useful in providing assistance to the Indian diaspora outside India, those belong to Tripura, and also the citizens of India in Tripura who are having any problem or who need assistance of MEA for any issue pertaining to immigration or passport or visa related matters. And since there is lot of movement between Tripura and Bangladesh through border, it is especially more important for us that we know as to what kind of functions are being performed by different divisions of MEA and who is the person in MEA who should be contacted and for what purpose, or if any problem is faced here, the same can be conveyed formally or informally so that the expeditious solution to these problems can.
After the discussion, we will come to know many of the issues to be faced in future, not today, because Tripura, though is a small state, but it has a great future ahead. It will have a better opportunity with Bangladesh, with Myanmar and other countries, Asian countries. There is an opportunity of trade and commerce. There is an opportunity of tourism between India and other Asian states, Asian countries. In future, the border with Bangladesh is likely to be, the trade between India and Bangladesh is already there, but the route like Sabrum by a bridge is about to start. The rail route is about to open. Agartala airport is an international airport already, but it has to be made operational. So with these kind of opportunities, there are the issues which will be discussed today. Though not felt, though not faced, it may be faced in future. This is what I feel, what I understand. With these few words, to share each other's knowledge, experience, so that it will go to improve the coordination between the state and the MP. Videsh Sampark program, as I understand, it has been started by the MEA to work closely with the state governments of India in a spirit of cooperative federalism. Its main objective was to connect effectively with the state government and to inform them about the MEA's program and schemes for overseas Indians, migration and mobility, diaspora issues, passport and consular initiatives, trade and investment opportunities. Since May 2017, I think it has been started. Many outreach programs have already been organized in partnership with other states like Telangana, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Kerala, Gujarat, Karnataka, and recently with the state of Bihar. I don't know whether any of the states have been coordinated.
Kerala also.
Oh, Kerala also. Yes, Kerala. Going through the schedule of thematic sessions and issues to be raised here for discussion and deliberation, it appears that many issues are not familiarized by the state government officials. We have a preliminary discussion with the state officials. Many of the issues are not known, many of the issues are not raised, not experienced. We have not felt or faced so far. Of course, there are some issues, scarily. Like while I was in the district, I also faced one issues like, how to bring the dead body from Arabian countries. So it took 2 long months to bring the dead body after a long correspondences with the state government, with the ministry, and outside the state, outside the country. There were passport issues. Even recently, as we were discussing that unless there was a Bangladesh terminal recently, we did not know that about 1,000 students have been studying medical education only in Bangladesh from India. About 1,000 students have come across